We finally have seen here for the Bitcoin price the much anticipated breakout out of this falling wedge here. But now the question is, will we reach the target all the way up here at around $24,700, or will we get rejected here at $23,400 and will see a correction to the downside? That is something that I want to talk about today. And if you think that's interesting, then please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and also activate the notification bell so that you will never miss out on these important updates. And now let's get here directly into it. So I'm here on the 4-hourly chart, and as you guys know, I had a trade open. I opened it somewhere here yesterday, but unfortunately I got stopped out on this trade because my stop loss was here just from where we bounced, more or less. So you can also see that here on Phemex. Here, that was my trade position that I had, so I lost here around $800, but that is actually fine because in the last couple of days we made here good money with my calls that I made, and I also posted this in my open Telegram channel. So that trade here was the trade that I posted yesterday in my Telegram group, and congratulations guys for everybody that was in the Telegram group and was able to take the trade. Also for the people out there on YouTube, because that was exactly the trade that I was talking about also in my videos that I have taken here, and I took here almost $1,400 in profit, which is for me absolutely fine if I can make here every day like $1,300, $1,400 with only putting $2,600 into this. That's a 50% gain that I made here just in a matter of couple of hours. That's absolutely fine for me, guys. And guys, don't forget, if you also want to trade with me and in my Telegram group, then you can still go here under my video to either Bybit, where you still get $4,450 in free bonuses with my specific link. And you can also go to BitGet and claim there an $8,000 bonus with 15% discount on the fees with that specific link here, guys. And don't forget, you only get these bonuses with my specific link, especially the $8,000 bonus here on BitGet. I'm maybe 1 out of 10 people in the world that has this bonus from BitGet granted, and you won't find this anywhere else, or really hardly. So definitely take advantage of that. And now let's get back into the Bitcoin price. So what am I doing right now? So for once I'm looking on the VPVR, and there we can see, if I scroll here a little bit back, that Bitcoin is running here into some resistance. So sorry, let me actually put this back as it was. So, and you can see this clearly here and on this long volume bar. So we got exactly rejected from this volume bar and went back to the next longer one, which is just beneath here. And you see in between is basically thin air, and that's why we pumped here directly up to this long volume bar, got rejected from there, came all the way back down to the next longer one. So, and now we have again an indecision candle that is closing in 24 minutes, and I'm waiting for the next candle to open to see in which direction Bitcoin is actually going. If it opens in red, then we can be sure that we are in for a correction, because we have then here a so-called a Morningstar pattern where the Bitcoin price is indicating with this candle formation that we are reversing back to the downside a little bit. But that's also okay. Then I'm looking at here in this kind of region to open a new long position between 22,600 and all the way up 23,100 in that kind of region. So if this candle is opening in green, which is also a possibility, and I will talk in a second about the lower time frames where we might be heading there, and also the higher time frames. If this next candle opens in green and we are breaking $23,400 here, then I open a new long position and will trade this potentially all the way up to the technical target of this falling wedge pattern. So however, if we go now to the daily chart, there we can observe that I was also pointing out already in yesterday's video, that if we see today's candle pushing here higher within the EMA ribbon, that would be also a scenario where I would be looking at to open a new long position, because the Bitcoin price just has to break here above $23,500 to be above the ribbon. The yellow string is already working its way here to the upside for the Bitcoin price. So, and that is a positive sign for the time being, but we need more candles in green here pushing to the upside to come to stay above the ribbon and flip the ribbon here back into an uptrend also on the daily chart, and that can potentially happen here in the next coming days and weeks. So, and we can already position us really well based on the 4-hourly chart if we break here above 23,400, 23,500, and to open a position here, a long position, because the likelihood that we break then higher is dramatically increasing, even though we are still here in this bigger rising wedge pattern. But from past experience, I can tell you, the longer and the more often the price action is sticking around here to the top of a rising wedge, the more likely it is for the Bitcoin price to actually break here to the upside, even though a rising wedge should 70 to 30 actually break to the downside. So there's a 7 out of 10 chance that the Bitcoin price is breaking to the downside based on this bearish pattern, and 3 out of 10 chance that we are breaking it to the upside. So yeah, but that we actually break it to the upside looks right now more likely than to the downside. So when we are going here to the 1-hourly chart, there we can already see that we are above the EMA ribbon and that we are consolidating here a little bit sideways. But we are also getting already a new buy signal based on the RSI, which is obviously also a really good sign here for the moment. And we have here decreasing volume, so a move for Bitcoin could be imminent here with another leg to the upside. We have a potential bull flag here, if I'm not mistaken. Let me check this out. Yeah, so you could make the case that we have here a bull flag, so with a potential target of $23,900. So it would actually make sense here to open a long position. And I think that's that's exactly what I'm gonna do here in the next couple of hours. I just wait up the next 20 to 30 minutes, and when I see the break that I'm waiting for, then I'm definitely jumping here in on another trade, guys. When I go back here to the 4-hourly chart, so you can also see that Bitcoin price is trying to break here $23,400. So, and the next resistance, what a coincidence, is lining up with the bull flag target here at $23,900. So guys, remember, if you want to take this trade with me together and you want to be updated in real time, then don't forget to scroll here down in the description of my video or in the comment on the pinned comment to join here the free Telegram channel, where I'm posting all these signals in real time as I'm taking them. Or if you want to make even more money and you want more signals, then you can still join my paid signals group. We are absolutely killing it there. We had last month, if I'm not mistaken, 1,800% on free X leverage, so which is an insane result. And we are printing this already for the last 4 or 5 months, consistently over 15x on these signals. So definitely take advantage also there, guys. That's it already for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget, smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you again tomorrow.